here, DIY, is fitting the towel rail. And they are not that easy to, they're a bit of a pain. They're a bit of a pain. But this is how you do it. I've got 2 holes in there, I've marked it, I've levelled it. I started using these, but no, they're no good. So I went down to the hardware and got a decent drill bit for porcelain. Now that I've got it started, a little bit of water. Lean on it a bit, lean on in. And the next. Bit of water. Cross your fingers. I'm not a fan of hammer drill. Bit of water. Oh, I like it. Couple of raw plugs. Where's my knife? Trim them off a little. Just like that. Just like that. Need some screws. 4 screws. That's not a bad bit. Not bad. Nice, I like it. Is that the right way? Yep, I think so. Yep, that's the right way. I used to run a mile, actually, DIYs, when it, I've been asked for years. Oh, can you do the towel rail and soap holder? No. But things are changing, and with the right gear, DIYs, it's a simple exercise, really. And there we have them. Get that off. And this, I tell you, is the bee's knees. It saves a lot of heartache and pain. Trying to fiddle around with an Allen key. Well, that's an Allen key. It blows away Allen keys. Because you're not having to put it in and turn it, put it in and turn it. No. Right, let's see if it all fits. Ooh. Oh. Seeing I'm filming it, I was hoping for a good outcome, and I think we have it. See how you have your... Alright, what's going on there? Aha! Right, adjust my thingy-doodle. I have come across so many dodgy bodgy towel rails that are hanging on by a thread. Oh, now people, that's not going anywhere. It's nice and level, it's evenly spaced, it'll hang nicely above the bath. We have a winner. Stay tuned to Chriso, that's just the beginning. There's heaps to learn DIYs. We'll see you soon. Subscribe and you'll see more.